Today, YouTube has become so competitive that it's difficult to grow on YouTube. But I'm not saying that you can't grow on YouTube right now. You guys must have seen these shorts on YouTube that get literally millions of views, and creating these videos takes just 10 to 15 minutes. If you watch this video till the end, you'll understand that there's hardly any competition in this niche right now, so you can also make your videos go viral. First of all, look at this channel. They've only uploaded 154 videos and have more than 1.5 million subscribers. This channel was created on September 19th, 2023, but the first video was uploaded in December 2023. It has more than 500,000 views, and the second one has over 7 million views. Within 5 months, this channel has gained more than 1.5 million subscribers, which means it gained approximately more than 200,000 subscribers per month. There are only a few such channels, indicating that competition is quite low in this niche. And look at the type of videos they make.
Little John worked hard in New York for 10 years and saved $500,000 to buy this tiny 0-square-meter door panel house. He tripped as soon as he entered the door, but fortunately, the eagle he had raised since childhood saved him. Every night he had to tie himself up with steel wire to sleep, which eventually gave him a terrible backache. He ended up lying on his eagle every night, crying sadly. Finally, he couldn't take it anymore and decided to renovate the place.
I talked to the owner of this channel, and he mentioned that it is fully monetized. You can see the earnings of this channel yourself, and he is generating a good income monthly from this channel, and I should tell you that he doesn't create the videos himself. I will show you how you can copy content from other platforms and upload it on YouTube. This way you can gain millions of views and subscribers like him. Now the question is how to make such a video, so watch this video till the end, because if you miss any step, your channel might get deleted or receive a copyright strike. So let's start this video. First of all, simply go to Google and search for TikTok, because that's where we will obviously get the videos, and you'll find the first website. Click on it and log in to TikTok. Next, you will see a search icon above. Click on it and search for Home Design 369. Now, you can select any video. You can see that it has millions of views. Click on any video you like, but don't download it directly because it will have a watermark. Instead, copy the link and go to Google. Search for TikTok app video downloader, paste your link on the website, and download the video from there. Now we need to get a transcript for the video. For this, search for Riverside on Google and sign up for an account. Then just upload the house design video you downloaded from TikTok. You have to wait for some time and your video will be transcribed. Now copy the script and head over to ChatGPT to modify the script. First, paste the text you copied and ask ChatGPT to rewrite the script. It will process the text and give you a nicely rewritten script, which will be engaging and last for 60 seconds, perfect for a YouTube short. Once the text is ready, copy the modified script from ChatGPT. After copying, simply go back to Google and search for 11 Labs and select the first website. Log in, and you will see an interface with options for generate and history. Paste the text you copied from ChatGPT, then select a voice that is commonly used in videos. This website takes 5 to 10 minutes to generate the voice. After 5 to 10 minutes, go back, click on history, and download your recent audio. Now, almost everything is complete, only editing remains. Before editing the video, if you haven't set up your channel properly with correct settings, tags, descriptions, etc., videos will not go viral. You can use any application. I will use CapCut here. Open CapCut and import your video. After importing, import the audio that you downloaded from 11 Labs. Maintain the gaps between the voices by trimming the silence. Simply cut the gaps between the voices and move the voice a little bit forward so that it matches properly. Trim the video to 1 minute because shorts can only be 1 minute long. You can add text and write the name of your channel so that it looks different. Then simply export your video in 4K. Now here is the final result.
Little John worked tirelessly for 5 years and saved up $200,000 to buy a house. He was ecstatic, but upon closer inspection, he realized the house was only 0.63 square meters. Even his dog ran away after seeing it. Determined to make the best of it, he found some bricks at a dump and built a simple wooden bed, curling up to sleep every night, which made his back and waist ache. Finally, he had enough. He decided to remove the original windows and weld 2 frames with galvanized square steel to extend out. He borrowed a few cents from his aunt to buy expansion screws to fix it firmly on the wall.